How to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to check who unfollowed you on your Instagram account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application and then head over to your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Then tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right. Then tap on account center and then tap on your information and permissions. After tapping on your information and permission, just tap on download your information. Then after tapping on downloaded information, in the top you can find this option which is download or transfer information. Just tap on it and then select your Instagram account, then tap on next, which is on the bottom. And now what you have to do is, the first option is for all available information. So if you want to download every single information from your Instagram account, then you can do that. But if you are just trying to access our unfollowers, so what I can do is just simply tap on some of your information. And after tapping on some of your information, now if you just scroll down, then you can find the option which is followers and following. So what this option does is it will only download the information of your followers and following, so that will be quick. If you want to download every single information, that might take time and you might have to wait for a while. So what we'll do is just tap on this option which is followers and following, then tap on next. And now you should have to select this first option which is download to device. And after tapping on download to device, select the date range, so you can download the information from your past week. You can also do that for your last month, for your last year, last 3 years. By tapping on all the information, what will happen is you will download every single information from the day you have created your Instagram account to the day you are trying to download your Instagram information. So what you can do is just select that, or you can also customize the information. So by tapping on edit, you can customize your information, and you can customize your information in such way that you can download that specific information. For example, in past month someone has unfollowed you or followed you. So if you know the exact date that the person has followed and unfollowed you, and now you want to check if that's correct, what you can do is just simply enter that exact date. So for example, September 13 to September 5. So now it will exactly download the information of that 3 days, and by tapping on set you will set that, and then tapping on save, now you'll exactly download that information. So you can do that if you want, but I'll just download every single information. Then tap on notify and then select your email address that is in your device, so you'll receive an email address that your file has been created. So just do that, and you have to select the medium quality. You can also select high quality if you like. Then tap on create file. After tapping on create file, now you can see Instagram is trying to create a file. So it might take a while because Instagram is trying to download every single information, and to collect every single information it might take some time for Instagram. And after waiting for a while, you can find this exact option below. So you can find this download option in your page, and you can just simply download your information. So before doing that, just open up your email address and then check if you have received an email from Instagram. So here you can see your meta download request is in progress. So thank you for requesting a copy of your information. Now what you can do is just simply tap on this blue color highlighted text which is download your information. So after tapping on download your information, now you can download your information. So just scroll down, and if you don't find a download option, then what you can do is just simply remove all from your background. And after removing your Instagram from your background, reopen your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, tap on account center, and then tap on your information and permissions, download your information. And after doing that, here you can see I have an option to download my information. So just tap on download, and after tapping on download, now what you have to do to download your information is you have to enter the password of your account. So just simply enter the password of your account. Now if I just tap on download, then it is not asking me to enter my account's password because I already did that, but you have to enter your Instagram's password. After doing that, you can easily download all the information from your account. And after downloading all your information, now you can just head over to your files. So just search for files, and inside your files you have just downloaded your information. So just tap on downloads, and after tapping on download, here you can see a zip file of Instagram. So what you can do is just simply tap on that and then tap on extract and then unzip your file. And after unzipping your file, now you can find all this information from Instagram. So here you can see your all followers list. You can also see all the following list. So now we are trying to look at our unfollowed list. So what you can do is just simply tap on reset unfollowed, and after tapping on reset unfollowed you can check all the unfollowers list. So just tap on upload. So if you have a notepad you might not have to continue this process, it will automatically open up, but I don't have notepad in my device, so I'll just open up with my documents. So from here I don't have too many unfollowers list, but I do have a person who had unfollowed me. So you might have more than a person. So before complaining to that person about why you unfollowed me on Instagram, you have to check if they have again followed you on Instagram. So they might have just unfollowed you for a while, then again followed you on Instagram. So just check if they have again followed you on Instagram. After doing that, now you can compare who has followed you and who has not followed you on Instagram. And from that you can just check your unfollowers list. So in this way you can just check all your recent unfollowed accounts. So that's it guys, this is how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.